Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to send location in Google Messages. First I just want you to make sure again that you have the last updates or the last version of your Google Messages app just by going into the Play Store or the App Store. It depends on which phone that you have, and by tapping on updates, if you find that you need to update your app, if you found it already updated, it's very good. After that, I want you to go into your Google app and Google Messages app, sorry, and then I want you to look for the conversation that you want to send the location to, or the one that you want to share your location with. And after that, I want you to look to this option below. There are too many options on the text message bar. I want you to go through this plus icon or symbol, and after that I want you to look for location. It's right here on the green color. Tap on it, and after that here you can choose your location, or you can just activate your location editor and or detector, I mean. And after that you can tap on SMS, and it will be sent directly and automatically to your contacts. So guys, as you can see, there are also multiple options right here. You can use GIF, stickers, files, and you can share contacts or schedule a send. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share that video with your beloved ones, and bye bye.